Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that stores your YouTube history. Once signed in, open YouTube and tap the three-line menu. Select History immediately so you don't waste time. Make sure to choose which timeline you need, Watch History versus Search History, because each tracks different actions. You're doing this now to capture records before changing settings, so proceed directly to the History page and prepare to filter or export the entries you want. Once on the History page, apply filters to narrow results. Choose videos, comments, live streams, or set a date range to limit the view. You can remove single items with the three-dot menu or hit Clear All Watch History if you need a fresh slate. Remember that clearing is irreversible. If you need a full archive, make sure to open Google Takeout, select YouTube and YouTube Music History, then export as JSON or HTML so you retain a complete, downloadable record. To finish, verify activity controls in your Google account to confirm YouTube activity is being saved. Toggle options if you want future history captured or paused. Keep in mind incognito mode and paused history prevent entries from appearing. Make sure they're off when you want full logging. If history seems incomplete, troubleshoot by signing out, clearing browser or app cache, and re-authenticating. This often restores syncing. Once fixed, recheck the history and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.